You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. The ocean hides wonders beyond your wildest dreams. Let's dive in. First up, the Great Blue Hole in Belize, a giant marine sinkhole with crystal clear waters, home to bizarre stalactites and rare sharks. It's like stepping into a time capsule of the ocean's past. Next, the vibrant Coral Triangle. This underwater rainforest spans 6 countries and is bursting with more marine life than anywhere else on Earth. Imagine swimming through a kaleidoscope of colors and creatures. And now, the pièce de résistance, the Mariana Trench, the deepest and darkest part of our planet. Here, alien-like creatures thrive in extreme conditions, defying all expectations. There you have it, the top 3 weirdest and most wonderful underwater ecosystems. Ready to explore more? Hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, keep wondering and keep wandering.